I'm completely improvising. JunkFoodTasterDotCom, and we have a really nice anti-cooking today. So we will make ourselves some nice porridge out of these awesome ingredients. So what do I do first? Maybe first we check out the protein powder. So it's a banana chocolate porridge super thing. So this is my protein powder, 80%. So oat already contains a lot of protein, but we need more. And last time I showed you banana flavor. Now it's chocolate. We get banana from, here's this juice and this mash. Anyways, actually the dispenser is inside here. Or it isn't. Here, this is strange. In the banana protein thing, there was a dispenser, or like a little spoon was inside. Yeah. Is the spoon somewhere there? Only on my channel, spoon search. Ah, here it is. So, somewhere hidden inside is the spoon. Okay. Okay, my friends. Let's do the protein shake. And here we go. The soy drink will be also the main component then for the porridge, of course. So I think 3 spoons are enough here. It's just for fun. And for my experience, don't using the shaker ball is better. And yeah, last time I asked what is this good for, this rubber thing. This is basically the spring here. It jumps on side this thing. I think one viewer also knew it. Here, like here. This is what it's good for. And anyways, let's shake it. And whilst I'm shaking it, I'm getting the bowl. Here we go. And now we start to make our porridge. So these are of course like oat flours. So let's get some. What is this? Dust. Not good. So I think this should be enough. And now all the other funny ingredients, like here's this mash. Apple banana mash. Here we go. And now some banana juice. Actually it's just 25%, but anyways. The rest is, what is the rest actually? So now the banana juice. And now we shake here. Ah, yes! Okay, and now we put the stuff in. This is so much fun. And now more soy drink, only on my channel. This looks mental. And now we turn it around. There we go. Yeah, I'm the best anti-cook in the world. Maybe some more oat flours. More oat flours, okay. So, here we go. It's a porridge after all. And let's turn around, put everything inside. Here we go. Let us have it. Okay. Tastes good. I like the taste of this mesh very much. There's also like a side taste of the powder. This powder smells and I guess also tastes chemical. Not that bad. Anyways, this is my porridge. I eat it now. It's a little bit funny. I think the combination was not really the best somehow. Well, it will do. Yeah. I don't know what to say now, other than to say goodbye and see you next episode, my friends.